The kidneys filter waste and balance fluids. To prevent and reverse kidney damage, focus on nutrient-rich foods. A common myth is that potassium harms the kidneys, but it actually protects them. The only exception is advanced kidney disease. Potassium lowers blood pressure, balances sodium, and prevents kidney stones. Top 7 foods for kidney health. 1. Kidney-supportive vegetables. Asparagus detoxifies kidneys. Celery, bell peppers, cabbage, cauliflower support kidney function. Garlic contains allicin for kidney health. These are low in oxalates. Avoid excess spinach. 2. Magnesium-rich foods. Pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, avocados. Magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams daily, protects kidneys. 3. Probiotic foods. Kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi. Lactobacillus casei and Bifidobacterium longum. Ease kidney stress. 4. Moderate protein. Excess protein strains kidneys. Consume moderate amounts. Best sources: wild-caught fish, sardines, eggs. 5. High antioxidant foods. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, beets. 6. Quercetin-rich foods. White and red onions. Anti-inflammatory and prevent scarring. 7. Extra virgin olive oil. Reduces inflammation and supports kidney health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads.